Welcome to Alchemy with Bronwyn, a podcast dedicated to helping you live an inspired, heart-centered life by cultivating energetic mastery. We delve deep into how to organize our life force around what matters most. I'm your host, Bronwyn Isla, board-certified acupuncturist, mama, dancer, diviner, and practitioner on the path of illumination. Let's take a moment to sit quietly together. If you can sit with your spine tall and take a moment to drop into breath, our collective breath and our individual breath. And just noticing the breath like waves moving in and out of our bodies, being breathed by spirit. Allowing spirit to move through us, through the breath. And notice the space that spirit through breath takes up in the body. And not through any kind of doing, but there's any way just to release more, to allow the breath to become fuller, deeper, massaging the organs as it moves, as these waves move in and out of our bodies. Belly is softening, heart is resting. Like a dance playing with the breath and the heart, the consciousness. And noticing in this moment all of the support that we have here from the beings of light, Great Spirit, angels, archangels, all of the support and guidance that we have for this process of tuning in. As we open ourselves up to these deeper layers of consciousness, this state of revelation. And let's take this moment to also tune into the places in ourselves that feel less open or more resistant. Maybe it's thoughts or sensations. But specifically, let's tune on into this on a sensation level. Perhaps noticing this as color or emotion or feeling. Perhaps it's a sound that gives you the information that there's some kind of pulling back. And notice the play of the breath in the parts of the body that may feel more dense or resistant. So there's no need to change or fix or do anything, just simply holding ourselves open as a witness. Holding these places as wise and intelligent. Opening to the grand play, the mystery, the precise grace of how we are shaping ourselves right now in time and space, navigating all that we're navigating. Let's allow should you choose to, allow and accept some opening here at the 8th chakra. Removal of blockages here at the 8th chakra, about a foot above the head. Notice how the light is able to move deeper into the system through this. You may notice this as a stream, as a clarification of this space above the head and of more light entering into the crown chakra and the rest of the system, the central column, the Sushumna, the chakras, the muscles, the organs, bones, just have a gentle increase in the hum of light, of vibrancy. And with this opening and this descending light, there's a cleansing inviting to come in, should you choose to accept, of the petals of the heart chakra. A kind of clarification, a widening, a spaciousness around this energy center. So these petals are being exponentially, vibrationally expanded in whatever is most in alignment with your soul's purpose right now, and your dharma and your readiness to receive this clearing of the heart chakra. Notice this in the back body as well as the front and the sides. 3D expansion. Notice it impacting the aura, whole physical body, the fingers and the toes. There's a kind of fierce nobility, a soft, fierce nobility in this frequency here, pouring into the heart. A willingness to stand one's ground. A willingness to love. That is not impacted by someone else's capacity to receive it. Just a quiet willingness to unconditionally love and be available for the direction from the heart. And you may notice the breath becoming fuller with this vibration of the heart, increasing, like, oh right, maybe I don't need to hold my diaphragm quite so much. Just trusting and surrendering to the heart's wisdom. Kind of peacefulness coming in with this this heart chakra awakening. Like those things that I thought might be cause for me to not love. It's like it just makes it all so clear that love is the only answer to everything that's occurring. This is the solid ground, our sovereign choice to allow our hearts to vibrate this level of openness, nobility, and clarity. It's not relevant to any kind of experience of the changing forms. This is what I came here for, to love. We're inviting the floodgates to open here on whatever has been a limiting, whatever from the past has felt so important. Notice that from the light, bathing in this light, how small that reason was in this perspective of the light would not be open. Inviting in grace. And these frequencies of unconditional, fierce love, no matter what. And from this perspective, we can see how all of those masquerading, moving images that we may have perceived as unloving from the world were just love letters from God, inviting us to expand and stabilize in our capacity to love. Long, deep breaths. All the way to the perineum. So every breath coming from the 8th chakra and beyond is inviting in more light to descend into the body, heart, and mind. Of light coming in. Notice if they want to help you soften the belly a little bit more, soften the jaw just a little bit more, soften at the occiput, release the shoulders, surrender. Everything is the light. We're a being of light, dancing in a field of light. divine simplicity in this consciousness. Long, slow, deep breaths. Allowing the breath to move even deeper into the toes and the fingers. Just letting the light work through us, into us, as us, for us. All is deeply well. Dropping into the timeless reality, the unchanging. The face of ourselves before our parents met. The unchanging essence of our soul. Your face before you were born. Waves on an ocean, returning to the ocean. Just resting deeply. Resting and receiving. Letting spirit move our breath. Being spirit moving breath. Breath receiving spirit. Trusting, allowing, surrendering, opening, releasing, letting go. Tune into the yin of autumn equinox, this growing yin, this seeping into our bones of the dark, the changing season, halfway between summer solstice and winter solstice. And the deep rest that this yin is inviting in to our systems, letting go of all of the doing, the busyness, and to non-doing, Wu Wei, allowing, tracking, noticing, witnessing. This deep intuitive wisdom rolling in like waves from an underground sea. Dreams, knowing, underground black oceanic yin, moving the waters of our being. Bringing in new codes this year of surrendering deeper. Helping us let go even more. Becoming this yin, carrying this calmness, all the way into our attractor field. Calling in more opportunities to surrender, rest, heal. Allow. Becoming yin. Softening. Awakening as softening, yielding, gently bowing the head towards the heart, the lift of the heart, this noble heart. Letting the heart reign. Highest motive is to be like water. Nothing is quite like it. for wearing away the heart. Pratiniye Swaha. Om Mam Apaha Swaha. Om Ram Agniye Swaha. Om Yam Deve Swaha. Om Ham Akashaya Swaha. Om Pranaya Swaha. Om Apanaya Swaha. Om Dyanaya Swaha. Om Udanaya Swaha. Om Brahmanaye Swaha. Om Ram Radadaya Namaha. Om Rim Shirase Swaha. Om Ram Shikaye Valushat. Om Rim Kavajayahu. Om Rom Natatraya Valushat. Om Ram Adstraya Sat. Bhuvaha Subaro Ititik Bandaha. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om. Thank you for tuning in to Alchemy with Bronwyn, this podcast, which is dedicated to helping you live an inspired, heart-centered life by cultivating energetic mastery. We delve deep into how to organize our life force around what matters most. Send me a message. You can do that in the show notes. You'll see a link. Let me know how it went for you. Also, please remember to hit the like button, support button, all the rest of it. And you can support me to make more great content for people everywhere. All those links are in your show notes. Many blessings, and I hope to tune in with you again soon.